Hey, what's up everyone? It's Jessie here. If you are new here, then hello and welcome. This is my makeup channel where I just have fun doing makeup. This is a channel where I do just a lot of makeup tutorials, kind of a get ready with me. I start the videos oftentimes with an idea kind of in my head, sometimes, not always. Sometimes it very much is a let's see where it takes us. Today I am going more for a banana inspired look. As you can see, I already have my face already completely done, but for now we're just going to jump right on into this banana inspired makeup. Alright, now to start out this look, I am going into the Morphe 35 B palette. I know that this one has been discontinued. I do hope that they bring it back. I'm going to go into this bright orange color right here in the top corner, and I'm taking that on just a big blending brush. And I'm just going to take that, starting out into the outer crease, bring it in a little bit, and really working it into that outer crease, just really blowing that puppy out. I'm not taking it down to the lower lashes though, onto the lower lash line though, just because I want that one to be strictly brown, smoked out brown. Next I'm going to take the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to take the color Access, of course, because it's just a bright yellow. It's a little bit darker than the original yellow, and I'm taking a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid as well as in the crease, just to darken up the crease a little bit in the outer corner. Right, and then I'm going back into the yellow from the Morphe 35B palette on that same smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to take that right at the edges just to really make sure that they're blended out. And as you can see, I'm taking it almost basically right up to that brow. I'm taking this very wide. Next I'm going to take my Tarte concealer, and I'm taking a flat brush. I'm going to cut the crease just about halfway in. I'm taking my finger right at the edge to blend it out so that there's, again, not a harsh line right at the outer edge of that cut crease. All right, now before that sets, I'm taking another clean flat brush, and I'm taking that shimmery yellow shade right above that other one in the 35B palette. And I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and spraying it, and I'm going to lay that right on top of that cut crease.
Wow, that was good. That was so much fun.
You like it?
I like it.
Blend out that outer edge. Outer edge. My daughter is right over here watching me. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. That was awesome.
It was awesome.
That was awesome. Hi, everyone.
And then go back into that outer edge with that Access color. I love that I have live commentary today with this look. And just blend that. You got a finger? Blend out that outer edge so that there's, again, no harsh lines. Our next thing in the Armed and Gorgeous palette, I'm going to go into this dark chocolatey brown color here called Prowl. And I'm taking that on a flat top brush, meaning it's flattened, but it also has a flat top. It's not angular. And I'm going to take that right at the lower lashes. I'm also going to take it on the top lash line as well. I should also mention I have already went in and tight lined my top waterline. Next I'm going to take a flat but slightly fluffy brush in that same color, and I'm going to use that to really start smoking it out, including that top lash line because I don't want it to be a harsh line. I want it to be smoked out as well. Like that. Yes, it's Bella. It's okay. Alright, next I'm going to take the Morphe gel liner in the color Slate, and I'm going to take that onto the inner corner of the eye. Next I'm going to take my e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm going to create a wing on the outer corner. Outer corner. Now I'm going to smoke that liner out, and to do that I'm going to take the original Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to go into the Abyss color. The only reason I'm taking this one is because it was the closest palette to me with a black in it. And I'm taking that on that same flattened fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take that basically right on top of that black to really smoke it out. Now if you're watching me and you think that this is too intense of a look to really wear in public, you don't have to smoke it out this far. You don't really have to smoke it out at all. It'll still be a really pretty look without smoking it out. I just think that it takes it to that next level. Now I'm going into a little bit fluffier of a flattened brush. I'm going into the Prowl color, and I'm going to take that right above the black to smoke that out even more. Taking that same color on that same brush, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line really intensely. And I'm going back into that Access color on that smaller fluffy brush. I'm just going to blend that into the eyeliner a little bit more. I'm taking this very, very, very small, it's so small, flat brush. And I'm going into the color VIP from that Armed and Gorgeous palette. And I'm going to use that on the inner corner as well as the arch of the brow. Alright, there are the eyes finished. I've already thrown on some lashes. I am using some falsies. Today I'm using the Kiss brand in the Faux Mink collection in Gala, in the style Gala. And the mascara that I'm using is the Benefits They're Real mascara. Next I'm taking the Becca highlighter in the color Moonstone, and I'm going to take that on a big fluffy brush, fluffy face brush. I'm just going to put that on the cheeks, cheekbones, as well as right there on the apples, and this just gives an initial all over glow. Next I'm taking the Milano Afterglow Strobelight highlighter, and I'm going to put that right on the tops. The last one was more of an all over, this one's more precise. Next I'm taking this Estee Lauder Double Wear lip liner. Next I'm taking the Estee Lauder Pure Color Lipstick in Intense Nude. And I'm going to top that off with some Buxom Full On Lip Polish in the color Dolly. Alright guys, that is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this look today. I know I am absolutely in love with this look. I love a yellow eyeshadow and I also love smoky eyeliners. I don't do it very often because it is a little bit more tricky to do sometimes, but whenever you take the time to do it, I think it does just take your look to that next level, especially if you're doing a very blown out look as it is like I did today. This is a very intense, very blown out look, but I like it. I love an intensely blown out look. If I missed anything name wise, it will be right down below in the description along with all of my social media. sites. They will either be linked or named down there, so go down there and check those out if you want. The lip, I think, is not the right color for this look, but I was supposed to walk out the door like 10 minutes ago to go pick up my fiance from work, and my phone is dying, which is what I'm filming on, so I gotta go. With all that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next week. Mwah.